unboxing video. Guys, I just got my most recent order from Maniology, and I thought that I'd take a couple of minutes and open it up here with you guys so that you can see what has arrived. This is not a subscription order, as you can probably tell from the general size of the package. This is a supplementary order I made, which I placed when they made the previous subscriptions, the monthly Manny and Me boxes, available, along with a few other things. So there's a couple that I had been humming and hawing about and regretting and thinking, and then I was like, yeah, you know what, just go ahead and do it. So first thing I have is that I love creativity. Be proud of what makes you unique, though. So my packing slip, everything is wet. I did wash my parcel before I brought it in here and taken a look at it. So I did order some more plate sleeves for my binder. They do come with dividers. I don't really need them, but I know that for me to get everything into my binder, I have some old Bundle Monster and stuff that I want to get in there. So that is what I'm going to do. Monocle stampers. 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 of those, because at $5 each, I can't not order them. One of the previous Manny and Me plates that I had wanted quite a bit was the MXM 020. It's a Christmas winter theme plate with the build your own snowman and then some trees. I didn't want the whole set, but I really wanted the plate. I thought it was very cute, so I will definitely be using that. And I have, oh wait, hold on, there's something else. Oh yes, that. I did get the duo of the black and white stamping polish set for, I think they're on there for $11. So I grabbed myself a set of those, so I have a nice brand new black and white stamping polish. There we go. So the straight up black and the BAM white on those. And I did order one of the past boxes. There was a couple I could have gone with, but this is the one that I ended up. So this is the Shangri-La, Spend Your Summer in Paradise, the Mosaic set. Correct, right. I kind of had forgotten about that. And in this box, I have... Thank you for the pineapple gummy, my last order that I put in, and I didn't get one, and I'm like, I spent almost $100, I want my freaking pineapple. But here, I got 2, so I'm excited about that. Put those away for later, hide them for my other half. These are just some gold foils that you just tear them apart, do little placements on your nail with them. You can actually see there, where did that one go? They're very light, they're very fluffy, they're very fine. Be careful with them. They will end up all over the place. Don't sneeze. So I have some of those in a different packaging from different companies, but you know, it's something shiny is always fun. So the 2 plates that came in that, again, they are the Manny and Me, so they're an exclusive plate. So we've got the MXM 013. And this is the one I really like because it's a layering plate. And I have a very similar one that I really like, and this is the MXM 014. So you've got your base image, your overstamped image on both sides of this and in the center. And these, I'm going to guess that, layering, placing the little bits inside the center of the frame. So I'll have a lot of fun with that. And the polishes that came with it. Did I open that upside down? Is that why those are... It's like I didn't have those barriers in the other one. Yes, because I opened it upside down. All right. And it's the Terracotta Rose and the Shangri-La. It's... the Shangri-La is a little bit on the green side, but it's it's quite muted and such. I really do like it. I have a gazillion green polishes, not necessarily stamping, and, never the right one, but I like this green. And the terracotta is a very beautiful color. I also have, just to show you a bit of a difference, This is the hibiscus that they came out with in one of their other boxes, and there's definitely a difference in the brightness. But so I'm excited about this. Everything is just an absolute crap show in the world today, you guys, this week, this month, however long this is going to go on. You know what? Be safe. Wash your hands. Don't touch your face. Be kind to other people. Remember those people out there that may not have support systems with families and friends and such like that. Just remember that there's people that are alone and that are afraid, and do everything you can to be decent human beings and treat everybody decently, and sometimes going a little bit out of your way and helping out somebody who's in desperate need is the most important thing that you can do for yourself. So thanks, you guys. I really appreciate your time today. And as I said, be safe.